Welcome to Zero Bridge, the bridge which is made of wood. Stools to sit, to relax and watch around. You can see the mountains, the river, the greenery. You can watch here if you're sitting on the stools here. This is one of the commonest bridge which is used by most of the people to cross over. Many of the tourists come here to watch and enjoy. These are the huts where you are going to rest when it is sunny and enjoy. You can see the houseboats on the Jhelum also across. Lovely scene as you walk across. See the cleanness which has been maintained here. You will love walking. Now when coming out of the Zero Bridge, see the grandeur structure which has been made of the wood. The carvings all around. This is a gate which I am coming out of the Zero Bridge, and after coming out I'll just try to look back and thanks Zero Bridge for the nice ambience and the nice walk which I enjoyed through the Zero Bridge. Signing off for Azad Vision.